Hello guys, in today's video we'll be showing you how to turn off pre-upload videos before publishing on the general settings on your account on Rednote, easy and quickly. So first of all, click on it, enter the application, and then click on these three lines right here, and then go to the settings, and here you will find this general settings. Click on it, and as you see here you will find this uh, pre-upload videos before publishing. Just click on it and it will be turned off. So that's it. That's how to turn off pre-upload videos before publishing, easy and quickly. So that's it. That's how to do it. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.